Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix SkyUI error code one step by step. Start by launching your mod manager and backing up your current profile before making changes. Next, verify installed SkyUI files and MCM dependencies and check for missing scripts or ESL/ESB conflicts. Adjust your load order, reinstall the SkyUI package if corrupted, and clear any leftover temporary files. Finally, run the game in a clean save to confirm the error is resolved and stable. Start by identifying common causes in a calm, methodical way so you avoid unnecessary reinstalls. Look for recent mod changes, especially UI or script-heavy packages, and note any ESLs or ESBs added. Use your mod manager to list missing masters or flagged conflicts. Check game logs for script errors that point to specific plugins, and keep a running list of suspects to address one at a time for reliable troubleshooting. Quick pause to say thanks for watching and please subscribe if this guide is helping you troubleshoot SkyUI error code 1. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It pairs well with long install sessions and keeps your car fresh while you mod. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Now let's get back to the video. Follow a clear step-by-step routine to minimize guesswork and restore menus quickly. First, create a backup of your saves and active mod list. Then verify SkyUI and required dependencies, reinstalling the mod if file integrity is suspect. Next, tidy your load order, merge or repair ESLs, and remove recent mods one at a time if problems persist. Finally, launch a clean save to confirm SkyUI loads and MCM pages are accessible and responsive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.